Welcome aboard the ultimate power catamaran named Bam Bam, a 2023 FP MY6 for sale. Experience luxury and elegance with Bam Bam, a 2023 motor yacht featuring a 3-cabin and 3-head layout. This stylish yacht combines first-rate design with spacious living areas, perfect for a 44-foot motor yacht catamaran with an overall length of 50. This yacht has only about 100 hours and fully up to date on all service and maintenance. She functions and shows like brand new. Bam Bam is for sale and conveniently located in Saint Petersburg. The built-in forward cockpit on the MY6 is a signature feature designed to enhance both the aesthetic and functional aspects of the vessel. This cockpit is set into the forward section of the boat, providing a unique outdoor space that is seamlessly integrated into the yacht's design. A custom Mantus anchor has been installed with swivel and 200 feet of chain. Included in the sales price, Highfield CL360 with FTC Console, 20 HP Yamaha engines with electric start and trim, hydraulic platform, and synthetic teak. The flybridge boasts a Kenyan electric grill, a dining table for up to 10 guests with built-in seats and cushions, and sun lounging pads. It also includes a hard-top bimini. Enjoy ocean night views with underwater lights, and experience comfort with a double seat at the fly helm station. Equipped with a Volvo IPS 650 pack, 2 joysticks, twin GO filters, and a fixed fire extinguishing system. Additionally, it features dynamic positioning and an assisted docking system. Built to Daniel Andrew Hull plans and designed by renowned Italian architect Pierangelo Andreani, this yacht offers stylish lines and unique living spaces filled with natural light. This motor yacht is not just a yacht, but a second home with comfortable relaxation and reception spaces. Note the additional midship storage, perfect for your activity toys and gear. The interior helm station offers advanced instrumentation for precise control, ergonomically designed seating for comfort during long sails, and excellent visibility for safer navigation. Below deck, the en-suite heads are well-fitted and beautifully finished, featuring a 75-liter water heater and a water maker for endless hot water. With 2 freshwater electric heads, they ensure modern convenience and extended autonomy at sea. Discover the luxurious amenities and thoughtful design of our starboard cabins. Here's what awaits you. Large double bed. Enjoy a restful sleep on a high-quality mattress with Hull bed slated bases. En-suite bathroom. Experience privacy and comfort with stylish fixtures, a separate shower, and premium amenities. Storage solutions. Keep your belongings organized with ample hanging lockers and underbed storage. Air conditioning. Adjust the individually controlled air conditioning system to your personal comfort level. Natural light. Bask in the airy and bright environment with generous portholes and hatches allowing plenty of natural light and ventilation. Step into a space designed for ultimate comfort and convenience on your voyage. Experience luxury in the VIP owner's cabin on the port side. It features an integrated washer and dryer, premium wood veneers, soft touch materials, and stainless steel accents. Enjoy a large en-suite bathroom with a separate shower and high-end fixtures. The cabin includes a comfortable double bed, a seating area, and a dedicated desk with electrical outlets and USB ports. Isolated from guest cabins, it ensures privacy and includes ample customizable storage. Personalized climate control and large windows provide comfort and natural light. Perfect for extended stays on the water. The key features of the MY6 are an enormous flybridge with lounge and galley, spacious saloon, luxurious accommodations with sea views, Excellent performance with dual 480 HP motors. Perfect for comfort and speed. Thank you for watching our video on Fountaine Pajot MY 6-power catamaran. Please check below for pricing and detailed specs. Contact Joseph Buxton to book a viewing. We look forward to seeing you in St. Petersburg to view this sought-after motor yacht.